Go. Anong question?
Ako sa'yo.
Because to fix it and find some ways to be back to normal, babe. Just give me a chance.
It's too complicated already. And I'm not
Why you keep on saying complicated? Can you explain that further, please?
I'm not really seeing my future with you. And I don't think I'm gonna be happy. Kasi you're already hooked with your children and I don't want that. Yung responsibilidad mo sa mga anak mo, you can never get away with it. It's in yours forever. It's with you forever. So, ayoko may sabi.
Iiwiling ko naman silang iiwan para sa'yo, para lang ma-win back ang puso mo. Shit.
That's not possible. You're gonna go in prison, mate.
That's good.
It's your responsibility. By law, you should take care of your children no matter where they are. Unless they're
Bakit? Hindi mo ba sila matanggap?
No. Sabi ko nga, di ba, ayoko na nga. Kasi hindi ko sila responsibility. Hindi ko sila anak. Okay?
Ba't ganun? Pagod na nga ako eh. That's the truth, man. Isa pa, hindi naman yan nakikinig sa yung mga anak mo, hindi. Ano ba yan, warm up? Parang dami mo pang action kaysa advice mo Sige na, so na ganito? Ay nako, advertisement. Pwede limtan sana, babe. Sige ito. So, ano na ngayon? Let's say, dili katangga.
I mean, my parents won't accept you soon.
Oh, kana.
And I'm not really happy with you anymore, so I think it's better for us to get separated for a while.
For a while? No, don't say for a while. For good, man. End it. Finish it.
Okay, po.
Okay, meaning, balikan mo. That's impossible.
Yeah. Tapos.
Oh, come on. Pwede sa ubos. Joke. Tapos, saman.
Cut. Tama na.
Dili. Akong ginaingon, muuban man siya karong ano. O sige, na-approve na ang visa ko, na-approve na ang leave ko, sasama ko sa'yo. Whether you like it or not, mag-ano ko sa parents mo, i-meet ko sila.
May problema din I don't think they will accept you. Prangkahan lang, I don't think they will accept you. Really, they are disappointed in me already.
So, di mo talaga akong kayang ipaglaban?
Yes.
Ang pag-ibig natin, babe.
Before I love you, kasi siguro nakita ko yung future ko sa'yo.
What do you mean future, babe? Anong future ba hinahanap mo? Ay, pwede ba ano man yung cellphone mo?
Iyab na ako ninong.
So, meaning na kay future na? Okay. Sila na future sa imo?
Oo naman. Tiga-tiga sa ako.
Oh, dapat yan ang hinahanap mo, babe. Oh, sakto na kay mahilis ng cellphone, tutok.
Night.
Isa, muuban. Pero unsa man ako pa siya gsulti nga dili siya pwede muuban, hindi na siya magastuhan, di pa siya makaapoy ang feelings and money. Oh, come on, man. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.